Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I welcome you back to Class English of Standard 2nd. Kindly remove your English Balbharti textbook to page number 13. Today, we are going to start with a new topic, and the name of the topic is 1.7 Let's Speak. My dear children, in this topic, we shall be learning how to seek permission from elders and how to request somebody. My dear children, as in the earlier topic 1.3 Let's Speak, we have learned how to welcome our friends. And my dear children, now in this topic 1.7 Let's Speak, we shall be learning how to seek permission from elders and how to request somebody with the golden word. Let's begin with our today's session 1.7 Let's Speak. 1.7 Let's Speak. Listen, repeat and enact. My dear children, first I will read out everything for you all, and then I will explain it to you. Ashwini, may I go out to play? I. Yes, you may. Ashwini, Baba, I want to eat a piece of cake. May I? Baba, yes, you may, but after dinner, and then brush your teeth. Ashwini, okay, Baba. Mohini, may I have 2 tickets, please? Ticket seller, yes, you may. Here they are. Tina, may I borrow your pencil? Reena, yes, sure. Here it is. Tina, thank you, Reena. Shyam, may I pluck those flowers? Gardener, sorry, you may not. So, my dear children, in this topic 1.7 Let's Speak, now over here we will see how to seek permission, how to take permission from the elders and others to do something, or if you need anything, how to ask permission. Yes? So first, here it is Ashwini. As you can see in the image, there is one little girl and her name is Ashwini. Yes, and her mother, she call her mother I. So I is over here and Ashwini is over here. Now this little girl Ashwini, she is asking permission, she is taking permission from her I that she can go out to play with her friends. Yes, so when you need a permission, when you need a permission, how you ask, how you seek permission, here we can see, as you can see, Ashwini, she says, may I go out to play? I. So over here, as you can see, she has used the golden word may I. May I go out to play? I. So what I is giving her the reply? I, what she says? Yes, you may. So the permission to her is granted by her I. That yes, you can go outside to play with your friends. Now, as in this picture, my dear children, you can see there is a father, okay, and Ashwini, okay. They are sitting on a table, okay. Yes. Now over here, she is asking her father, okay. Now she is calling her father as Baba, okay. Over here, Ashwini and Baba, they are sitting on a dinner table, okay. Now again over here, she is asking a permission to eat a cake. Yes. So now let us see how she asks a permission, how she takes a permission, how she seeks a permission to eat the cake. Ashwini, Baba, I want to eat a piece of cake. May I? Over here, children, again you can see the golden word may I she has used, okay. So now what reply Baba gave? Baba is telling, yes, you may, but after dinner, and then brush your teeth. Ashwini, okay Baba, okay. So as you can see in this image, Ashwini asking his father, okay, his Baba, she is seeking permission from his Baba that she can have a piece of cake. She wants to eat a piece of cake, so she can eat, okay. So her Baba granted her the permission, but what he said, yes, you can eat the cake, but after the dinner is over, okay. After finishing your food, you can eat a piece of cake, but after that what you have to do? You have to brush your teeth. Yes. Now over here in this image, as you can see, there is a zoo. Yes. One girl is there and she is taking a ticket from the ticket counter, okay. So when you are taking something from somebody, so how you ask, how you seek a permission, okay. So let us see over here, okay. Now she is not asking over here permission, she is requesting, okay. So how to request somebody? If you need something, how to request? Let us see the example, okay. Over here, the name of the girl is Mohini. Now Mohini, may I have 2 tickets please? Okay, again over here she is using this word, golden word, may I. May I have 2 tickets please? Now what reply the ticket seller gave? Let us see. Ticket seller, yes, you may. Here they are, okay. Now over here, as you can see in the image, the girl, okay, her name is Mohini. She is requesting the ticket seller to give 2 tickets, okay. She has used the golden words, may I, please, yes, okay. So in reply, the ticket seller, he told, yes, you may, and he gave the ticket to her. Now over here again, as you can see in this image, 2 girls, they are sitting, okay, in the school and they are writing something. Yes, the 2 girls, and the name of the 2 girl is Tina and Reena, okay. This is Tina, okay, and she is Reena. Now let us see what Tina is asking Reena. Tina, may I borrow your pencil? Okay, over here she is requesting, okay, that can you give me a pencil? May I borrow your pencil? Reena, yes, sure. Here it is. Tina, thank you, Reena. Okay, over here in this image, as you can see, there are 2 girls, okay, so they both are sitting and they are completing their notes. Yes, as you can see in the image, but over here Tina is not having pencil, okay, she is not having a pencil, so she is requesting Reena to lend her a pencil, to give her a pencil to complete her notes. So what Tina is asking, how she is requesting, may I borrow your pencil? Reena, yes, sure, here it is. Tina, thank you, Reena. Okay, over here as you can see, this girl Tina, okay, she is very politely asking her friend Reena that can you give me a pencil? Can I borrow this pencil? Can I take this pencil to complete my work? So over here Reena is telling, yes, sure, here it is. Take this. Yes, sure, you can use my pencil to complete your work. When Reena, okay, accepted her request, okay, that yes, you can take my pencil. So what reply Tina gave? Tina says, thank you, Reena. Okay, when somebody gives you something, when you ask permission, okay, when you seek permission or you request someone, if it is accepted, okay, if they give you something or they grant you the permission, so what you say? Thank you. Okay, now over here as you can see, there is one boy and his name is Sham, and next to Sham the gardener is standing over here. Okay, now over here Sham is asking something, he is requesting something, okay, he is seeking permission from the gardener that can he pluck those flowers. Okay, but what the gardeners gave reply, let us see. Sham, may I pluck those flowers? Gardener, sorry, you may not. Now my dear children, over here Sham is asking, okay, he is seeking permission from the gardener, can he pluck those flowers, okay, but over here the gardener, he is not allowing him to pluck those flowers. Okay, so directly he is not saying no. Okay, so which word he has added? Sorry, you may not. Okay, so the word sorry is being used by the gardener. Okay, so in this way, when somebody okay, seeks permission, and if the permission is not granted, okay, if the request is not granted, so the word sorry has been used to say no. Okay, when you are not if you are telling somebody no, okay, so sorry word is used. Sorry, you may not. Yes, and over here you can see, if somebody gives you something, the permission, if you ask something, if you request somebody, and if the request has been accepted, okay, if you get something, which word you use? Thank you. Okay, my dear children, so in this topic 1.7, let's speak, today we have learned that how to seek permission, okay, from the elders, and how to request somebody if you want something. Okay, my dear children, I will read once again this whole lesson. Ashwini, may I go out to play? I. Yes, you may. Ashwini, Baba, I want to eat a piece of cake. May I? Baba, yes, you may. But after dinner, and then brush your teeth. Ashwini, okay, Baba. Mohini, may I have 2 tickets, please? Ticket seller, yes, you may. Here they are. Tina, may I borrow your pencil? Reena, yes, sure. Here it is. Tina, thank you, Reena. Sham, may I pluck those flowers? Gardener, sorry, you may not. So, my dear children, in this way you can seek permission, okay, from your elders, or you can request your friends. Okay, now I'll give you some example. Okay, suppose when you are entering the classroom, okay, the teacher is already there in the class. When so that during that time you seek permission, okay, from your teacher, that can you come in. So how you say? May I come in, teacher? Yes. So over here you are asking permission. Okay, you are seeking permission from your teacher that may I come in, teacher? So the teacher say yes, you may. Okay, if you want to eat chocolate, okay, so you can ask, may I eat this chocolate? So if mama says that it is suppose it is a night time, okay, and you don't have to eat that chocolate during the night time, so the mama will give reply, sorry, you may not. Okay, sorry, you cannot eat now. Okay, yes. If suppose you are asking your friend that may I play with you, okay, and your friends, okay, you are requesting your friend that may I play with you, and your friends reply, okay, yes, you may. So you will say thank you because she has she has accepted your request. Okay, so in this way we have finished with our topic 1.7, let's speak. So we have learned in this topic how to seek permission, how to ask permission from the elders, or how to request somebody. Okay, now let us see some dictation words in this poem. The first one is play. P-L-A-Y, play. Okay, P-L-A-Y, play. The second one is peace. P-I-E-C-E, peace. Third one is dinner. Okay, D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner. Then brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. Over here, tickets. Okay, T-I-C-K-E-T-S, tickets. Then please. P-L-E-A-S-E, please. Over here, borrow. B-O-R-R-O-W, borrow. Next, pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Okay, over here, pluck. P-L-U-C-K, pluck. Then last, flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. One more word over here, my dear children. Last one, sorry. S-O-R-R-Y, sorry. So with this we came to an end of our today's lesson, that is 1.7, let's speak. I hope you all have understood this lesson well. Till then children, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.